One-step equation bingo. This is a very easy version of multiplication and division, very simple problems. And the instructions are on slide 2. There are 26 different bingo boards. You can go ahead and duplicate if you have more students. Just click on a slide and come up here to slide, duplicate. So you can have as many as you need. All of the problems are on slide 3. So as you call these out to the student, or you probably want to write it, put it on a screen or a whiteboard, and when you use it, just move it to the right, and that way you know that you've used that particular problem. So these all match to a square on their boards. So when you're done playing the game, you can just come up here to the undo arrow, and the problems go right back into place, and that way you can play a second time. I give the students editing rights so that they can scroll up and down, find the bingo board that they want. I have my students just click on one of the chips and then type their initials. And that way they've claimed the board. So if another student's coming through looking for a board, they can see that this one's already taken and they can go find another one. Now, as you're giving the problems to the students and they solve them, when they find the solution, they just click and hold in one of the chips and then move it to cover their answer. When they get 5 in a row, they can just call out bingo. If you want to check their answer, just have them move the chips to the side, and then you can check and see if they have the right answers. Now the students can do the same thing when the game's finished. They can come up here to the undo arrow, click it repeatedly. All the chips go back into place and their name comes off the chip. And that way they could scroll up and down, find a different board, and play a second